Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Rockstar Game Launcher not responding. Chapter 1. How to fix Rockstar Game Launcher not responding from Windows Security. Let's enter security in the search box to open Windows Security. After this, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then, click on Manage Settings in the section Virus and Threat Protection Settings. At the bottom, click on the line Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Yes to authorize. Now click on the Add an Exclusion button and select the folder option. There you must select the Rockstar Games folder. When selecting it, click on Select Folder. You can see it as excluded. Open Rockstar Games Launcher to check that it loads without errors. Chapter 2. How to fix Rockstar Game Launcher not responding from File Explorer. For this step, open the File Explorer and there you must go to the path where it was installed, Rockstar Games. When the sections, click on Rename. Modify your name and authorize by clicking Continue. Now simply open the application to validate that there is no error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.